Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Standard Notes password step by step. If you've forgotten your password or want to secure your account with a new one, it's important to understand how Standard Notes handles encrypted data before making any changes. So let's get started. First, open your web browser or the Standard Notes app and go to the sign-in screen. Enter your email address if prompted, then click or tap the Forgot Password or Reset Password option to begin the recovery process. Next, follow the on-screen instructions and check your email inbox for the password reset message from Standard Notes. Open the email and click the password reset link to continue. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder as well. Now, create a new strong password and confirm it before submitting the change. Choose a unique password that's difficult to guess and store it in a secure password manager so you won't lose it in the future. Keep in mind that Standard Notes uses end-to-end encryption. Depending on your account setup and recovery options, resetting your password may affect access to previously encrypted data if you no longer have your original encryption credentials. Always read the recovery information displayed during the reset process before confirming the change. Finally, sign in using your new password and verify that your account and notes are accessible. If you experience any issues, review the official recovery guidance or contact Standard Notes support for assistance. And that's it. You now know how to reset your Standard Notes password and securely regain access to your account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.